The Bhutto family's ancestral graveyard once again became the site of grief-stricken emotions. This time it was the Chehlam of Benazir Bhutto.
जेका पीपल्स पार्टी रोशनी ॾिनई असां सिंधियुनि खे असांजूं अखियूं सफ़ा कढी विया.
The die-hard Bhutto loyalists visibly expressed their anguish and sorrow for the untimely death of the fourth member of Bhutto family, Benazir Bhutto.
हाणे अल्लाह ज़ालिमनि खे मारे त असां ख़ुशि थियूं. असां हीअ राणीअ जो साहु असां हीअं अखियुनि ते रखूं. हे असांजी राणी असां हीअं ॾिसूं. असां पंहिंजी राणी ॾिसूं. बेनज़ीर जो बच्चो आहे असांजे अखियुनि ते आहे. असांजो बच्चो आहे असांजे सिर जो साईं आहे. बेनज़ीर जो पुटु आहे असांजो सिर जो साईं आहे. छो न कमु कंदो उहो.
As for her legacy, people believe her successor and her son Bilawal Bhutto Zardari will continue carrying it on. Such is the intensity of affiliation of people with Benazir Bhutto and her family that despite the lapse of 40 days after Benazir Bhutto's assassination in Rawalpindi, the shock, disbelief and sorrow remains. Indeed, time is a great healer, but for them, the scar will remain forever. Sabeen Agha with cameraman Suhail Fareed, Geo News, Gadi Khuda Bakhsh.